Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall SoFi app and remove profiles, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the SoFi app from your device, begin by locating the app on your home screen. On iOS devices, press and hold the SoFi app icon until a menu appears. Select Remove App from the options. Then, choose Delete App to confirm your action. This will remove the app from your device completely. For Android users, find the SoFi app in your app drawer. Tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select Uninstall from the available options. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. After uninstalling the app, you may want to remove your profile for privacy reasons. To do this, visit the SoFi website using a web browser. Log into your account with your credentials. Navigate to the Profile or Account Settings section. Look for an option that states Delete Account or Close Account. Follow the prompts to delete your profile. Confirm your decision when asked for verification. If you face any difficulties, consider reaching out to SoFi customer support for assistance. Ensure that all relevant information is backed up or noted before proceeding. Once your profile is deleted, you will no longer have access to your account data or history. Remember to check for any remaining linked accounts or subscriptions associated with SoFi. After removal, it's good practice to clear any cache or residual data from your device. You can do this in your device settings under Storage or Application Management. Ensure you follow each step carefully for a complete uninstallation and profile removal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.